In 1803 we sailed out to sea, out from the sweet town of Derry. For Australia bound if we didn't all drown, and the marks of our fetters we carried. In the rusty iron chains we cried for our wings, and our good women we left in sorrow. As the mainsails unfurled and our curses we heard at the English and poets of tomorrow. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. At the mouth of the foyle bade farewell to the soil, as down below decks we were lying. Oh, the heart is screamed, walking out of a dream, by a vision of old Robert dying. The sun burned cruel as we dished out the gruel. Then O'Connor was down with his fever. 60 rebels today bound for Botany Bay. How many will reach their receiver? Our shin dust like mud in the firelight. White horses rode high as the devil passed by, taking souls to the Hades by twilight. 5 weeks out to sea, we are now 43. We buried our comrades each morning. In our own slime we were lost in the time. It's endless night without dawning. Oh, and the Van Diemen's Land is a hell for a man just to end all his life in his slavery, where the climate is raw and the gun makes the law. Neither wind nor rain cares for bravery. 20 years have gone by and I've ended my bond, and my comrades go sad behind me. But a rebel I came, and I'm still the same. In the cold winds of night you will find me. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Back home in Derry. The English language gives us many interesting things which are actually silent. For example, in knowledge, K is silent. In island, S is silent. In Londonderry, London is fucking silent. Спасибо большое. Фестиваль продолжается. Мы уступаем место следующей команде.